Hello everyone, in this video we will do chapter number 9 algebraic expressions and identities, exercise 9.5. Firstly, I'll just introduce you algebraic identities. An identity is an equality that is true for every value of variable. Now here we are having 4 identities which we are going to use for solving the questions of exercise 9.5. Now here the first identity is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second one is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one is a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. And the fourth one is x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. These are the 4 identities which we are going to apply for the solution of exercise 9.5. Exercise 9.5, question number 1. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following product. First part is x plus 3 into x plus 3. It can be further equal to x plus 3 whole square. Now as I have introduced the identities, this is the kind of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Instead of doing the direct multiplication of binomials, we will use these identities to find the product. So this is more easy to find out the product of the binomials. Now here we will just compare the values of a and b with the given question. Here a is equal to x and b is equal to 3. Now we will just substitute the values of a and b on the right side of this identity. So here it can be written as x square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 plus 3 square, which is further equal to x square plus 3 2 is the 6x, square of 3 is 9. So x square plus 6x plus 9, which is the required answer. Next part is 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5, which can be written as 2y plus 5 whole square. Now again this is the kind of a plus b whole square. Always we will compare the given question with the identities which is the suitable identity to solve the question. So here as it is the a plus b kind, so I just use this identity. Now here again we will compare the values of a and b with the question. Here the value of a is 2y and b is 5. So a is 2y and b is equal to 5. Now put the values of a and b in this identity, that is 2y whole square plus 2 multiplied by 2y multiplied by 5 plus 5 square. So square of 2y is 4y square plus 2 2's the 4 5's the 20 y plus 25. So 4y plus 20y plus 20, 4y square plus 20y plus 25 is the answer. Third part is 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. Now this can be written as 2a minus 7 whole square. Now this is the type of a minus b whole square. So we will write the identity of a minus b square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now again compare the values of a and b. Here a is 2a and b is 7. Now substitute the values. It can be written as 2a square minus 2 multiplied by 2a multiplied by 7 plus 7 square. Now square of 2a is 4a square minus 2 2's the 4 7's the 28 a plus square of 7 is 49. So 4a square minus 28a plus 49 is the answer. Fourth part is 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. In all these questions, binomials will be given to you in which both the brackets contain the same term. it will be either in the type of a plus b whole square or in the type of a minus b whole square. So here it is 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square, which can be further used calculated by the identity a minus b whole square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here a is 3a and b is 1 by 2. So further it can be calculated as 3a whole square minus 2 multiplied by 3a multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square. Now square of 3a is 9a square minus this 2 and 2 cancel each other, minus 3a plus square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So 9a square minus 3a plus 1 by 4 is the required answer. Fifth part is 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. Now up to fourth part we have done the type of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. That is, both the terms was containing the same terms with same sign. Here the terms are same, but in the first bracket there is a negative sign, in the second bracket there is a positive sign. So this is the kind of a minus b into a plus b. Now we know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here when we will compare the values of a and b, a is 1.1 m and b is 0.4. Now simply substitute the values. This is 1.1 m square minus 0.4 square. Now we know that square of 11 is 121 and we will put a decimal after 2 digits. So this is 1.21 m square minus square of 4 is 16. So it is 0.16. 1.21 m square minus 0.16 is the answer. Next one is a square plus b square into minus a square plus b square, which can be further equal to a b square plus a square into b square minus a square. Now this is converted into the type of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now here the value of a is b square and b is a square. Now simply put the values. The value of a is b square, so it is square of b square minus value of b is a square, so it is square of a square, which can be further equal to b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4 is the required answer. Next one is 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7. Again this is the kind of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Now here a is 6x and b is 7. Put the values 6x square minus 7 square. Square of 6 is 36x square and square of 7 is 49. 36x square minus 49 is the answer. Next part is minus a plus c into minus a plus c. Now we will just arrange the terms as c minus a into c minus a, so that it can be written as c minus a whole square. Now this is the kind of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now after comparing the values, here a is equal to c and b is equal to a. Now put the values, it can be written as c square minus 2 multiply c multiply a plus a square, which is equal to c square minus 2ca plus a square is the required answer. Ninth part is x by 2 plus 3y upon 4 into x by 2 plus 3y upon 4, which can be further equal to x by 2 plus 3y upon 4 square. Now this is the type of a plus b whole square, which can be written as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now compare the values of a and b. A is equal to x by 2 and b is equal to 3y upon 4. Now substitute the values. X by 2 square plus 2 multiplied x by 2 multiplied by 3y upon 4 plus 3y upon 4 square. Now square of x by 2 is x square by 4 plus 2 and 2 cancel. This is 3xy upon 4 plus 3 is the 9 y square upon 4 the 16. So x square by 4 plus 3xy upon 4 plus 9y square upon 16 is the required answer. Next part is 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b, which can be further equal to 7a minus 9b whole square. Now this is the kind of a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a is equal to 7a and b is equal to 9b. Now substitute the values. This is 7a square minus 2 multiplied by 7a multiplied by 9b plus 9b square. This is 7 sevens the 49a square minus 2 sevens the 14 nines the 126 ab plus 9 nines the 81 b square. So this is 49a square minus 126 ab plus 81 b square is the required answer. Question number 2. Use the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab to find the following product. Now the first part is x plus 3 into x plus 7, as if we compare the given question with the given identity. Now I'll just write down the identity here. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we can compare the values of all the variables. Here the value of x is x, value of a is 3 and value of b is 7. Now we will just put the values of all variables on the right side of this identity. So this can be written as x square plus a is 3 plus 7 into x plus 3 multiplied by 7. So this is equal to x square plus 3 plus 7 is 10x plus 3 7s are 21. So this is x square plus 10x plus 21 is the answer. Second part is 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Now I'll just write down the identity so as to compare the values. This is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now here x is 4x, a is 5 and b is 1. Now substitute the values. This is 4x square plus a plus b, that is 5 plus 1 multiplied by 4x plus 5 multiplied by 1. Now square of 4x is 16x square plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. 24x plus 5. 16x square plus 24x plus 5 is the answer. Third part is 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. Now again the identity is given in the question. All the questions will be solved by this identity only. So I'm just writing again and again the same identity so as to compare the values. So this is x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now here x is 4x, a is minus 5, as this is x plus a into x plus b type, but here there is negative sign in both the brackets, so I'll just write the value of a as minus 5 and b as minus 1. Now substitute the values. This is x is 4x square plus a is minus 5 and b is minus 1 multiplied by 4x plus minus 5 multiplied by minus 1. So now four x square is equal to 16x square minus 5 minus 1. This is minus 6. Minus 6 multiplied by 4 is minus 24x plus minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 5. 16x square minus 24x plus 5 is the answer. Fourth part is 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. Now again write down the identity, which is x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now compare the values. Here x is 4x, a is plus 5 and b is minus 1. Now substitute the values. X is 4x square plus a is plus 5, b is minus 1. So here minus 1 multiplied by 4x plus 5 multiplied by minus 1. Now do the simplifications. 4 for the 16 x square plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 for the 16x plus 5 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 5. 16x square plus 16x minus 5 is the answer. Fifth part is 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y. Now again write down the identity first. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now compare the values. Here x is 2x, a is 5y and b is 3y. Now substitute the values. X is 2x square plus a plus b, that is 5y plus 3y multiplied by 2x plus 5y multiplied by 3y. Now 2x square is 4x square plus 5y plus 3y is 8y. 8 to the 16, this is 16xy plus 5 3 is the 15 y square. 4x square plus 16xy plus 15y square is the answer. Sixth part is 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. Again write down the identity first. In all the questions we will write down the identities. Now compare the values. X is 2a square, a is 9 and b is 5. Now substitute the values. 2a square plus 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2a square plus 9 multiplied by 5. Now square of 2 is 4, a raised to power 4 plus 9 plus 5 14, 14 2's the 28, 28a square plus 9 5's the 45 is the answer. Seventh part is xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. Write down the identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, where x is equal to xyz, a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 2. Now substitute the values. xyz square plus minus 4 minus 2 multiplied by xyz plus minus 4 into minus 2. Now the square of xyz is x square y square z square. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6xyz. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 8. So x square y square z square minus 6xyz plus 8 is the required answer. So students, this is all about question number 1 and 2 of exercise 9.5. Thank you.